Hello everyone, welcome to TFFC 2025. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing certain costing concepts which I found a little difficult to understand at the time when I was learning. So I thought maybe, this can help you in some way. So the concepts that I'm going to be discussing majorly in this video are number one being cost object, number two, cost unit, number three would be cost pool, and number four is cost driver. Okay, so now I am going to be describing each one of them in my own words. So cost unit, cost object is something that for anything for which you want to know the cost, यानी कि जिसका आप cost जानना चाहते हो, anything of which I'll write it down. Okay, so it can be department or product or activity or customer, etc. Okay, and then we have cost unit. So now what is cost unit? Cost unit is nothing but a unit of product or service for which cost is measured. That is maybe a product or service, as in for example pen manufacturing company के लिए cost unit would be one pen. फिर अ बस कंपनी जो बस की सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करती है उसके लिए कॉस्ट यूनिट वुड बी पैसेंजर पर किलोमीटर. मतलब बेसिकली एक कोई भी यूनिट, ये क्या बेचती है, ये पेन बेचती है, तो इसके लिए कॉस्ट यूनिट क्या होगा, एक पेन. बस कंपनी जो है वो क्या करती है, वो बस की सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करती है, तो उसके लिए कॉस्ट यूनिट क्या होगा, पैसेंजर पर किलोमीटर. ओके, नेक्स्ट व्हाट आई एम गोना बी टॉकिंग अबाउट इज कॉस्ट पूल. नाउ व्हाट इज कॉस्ट पूल? कॉस्ट पूल इज अ ग्रुप और कलेक्शन ऑफ सिमिलर कॉस्ट. ओके, सो एग्जाम्पल वुड बी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कॉस्ट, ग्रुप हो गया उसका, मतलब ग्रुप एज इन जैसे प्रोडक्शन एरिया का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कॉस्ट होता है, सिमिलरली ऑफिस एरिया का प्रोडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कॉस्ट होता है. सो दिस इज अ कॉस्ट पूल, मतलब एक ही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कॉस्ट पूल में आप दोनों प्रोडक्शन और ऑफिस एरिया का एक्सपेंस इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं. लास्टली वुड बी कॉस्ट ड्राइवर. नाउ दिस इज आई थिंक द मोस्ट कैची पार्ट एंड इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड, बट आई थिंक इफ यू गेट इट यू विल you'll get it. So factor that causes cost to be incurred. So now what does this mean? Factor that causes cost to be incurred. So you can say what causes the costs to happen. For example would be example, if you're driving a car, the more kilometers you drive, your fuel cost increases. Correct? So now this kilometers is your cost driver. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be giving you an example which will cover all four of the concept. So we have one Kaka over here. We'll just call him Kaka. Now Kaka wants to know, he has a pizza shop. Okay, Kaka has a pizza outlet. You can say he has a pizza outlet. Now Kaka wants to know, he sells a margarita pizza. So now he wants to know the cost of the margarita pizza. Okay, so now for him cost object would be margarita pizza. Why? Because the cost for margarita pizza का हम cost निकाल रहे हैं. That's why it will be the cost object. Cost unit क्या होगा? Cost unit होगा कि unit जिसमें cost को measure किया जा रहा है, मतलब हम एक margarita pizza का cost निकाल रहे हैं. Correct? तो unit जिसमें हम cost measure करते हैं, that will be cost unit. Next we have cost pool. अब इसमें cost pool क्या होगा? इसमें cost pool होगा इसका जितना भी electricity cost लगता है, that will be one cost pool. इसका जितना स्टाफ का सैलरी लगता है, मतलब जो कैश काउंटर पे होते हैं, जो पिज्जा बनाते हैं, वो सब एक कॉस्ट पूल आ जाएगा, उसको हम बोलेंगे लेबर कॉस्ट. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज कॉस्ट पूल. नाउ इसी में व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ड्राइवर? So the cost driver would be something that, as I said, causes the cost. For example, how will the electricity expense increase? The more the oven runs, the more will be the electricity expense. Correct? So now, oven hours for one pizza in a hypothetical situation is 10 minutes. So 6 pizza in 1 hour. Okay. So now oven hour is driving the cost of electricity. I hope you understood this. I think this will pretty much summarize, and just to provide you a summary of, or a mind map, of what we have discussed. So we are making the pizza. Okay. So the cost of pizza is the cost object. Then cost per pizza is the cost unit. Then the collective electricity cost is the cost pool. Lastly, electricity increases because of since oven time. That will be the cost driver. Okay, so we are making pizza. So what will be bought for Kaka? For Kaka, cost of pizza is cost object. Cost per pizza is cost unit. Collective electricity cost is cost pool, and electricity increases of oven time. That is the because of oven time. That is the cost driver. That is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to explain these four objects. I would request you to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch more such videos, please add a comment to this video or any videos you wish to. And if you want to know for a particular doubt or a particular topic you want me to discuss, I would love to do that. Please comment and let me know any particular concept or topic you want me to discuss. And do click the bell notification to get notifications of my next upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye, take care, and all the best. Hello everyone, welcome to TFFC 2020.